Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open Bubble Slam Dunk Moisturizer. This popular hydrating cream comes in a clever airless pump bottle, designed to keep its beneficial ingredients fresh and effective. For your daily skincare routine, simply apply 1 to 2 pumps of the product onto your clean, dry skin. It is recommended to use this moisturizer both in the morning and at night to ensure your skin receives continuous, deep hydration throughout the entire day. If you need to clean the dispenser or consider refilling, disassembling the bottle is straightforward. First, locate the top cap and gently flip it upwards to expose the pump mechanism. Next, you will need a small, pointed tool, such as a needle or a toothpick, to carefully pry off the silicone topper from the dispenser. Once that is removed, firmly grasp the base of the bottle and twist it counterclockwise to separate the main components of the packaging. Proper cleaning ensures your moisturizer continues to dispense smoothly. After disassembling, carefully clean around the dispenser area to remove any product buildup that might cause clogging. Wash all the individual, removable parts with warm, soapy water. It is crucial to rinse them thoroughly and then allow all components to air dry completely. Ensuring everything is bone dry before putting it back together helps maintain the product's integrity and prevents any moisture issues. Reassembling your Bubble Slam Dunk Moisturizer is the final step. Carefully align the main components and twist the base clockwise until it is securely fastened. Then, gently but firmly press the silicone topper back into its original position on the dispenser. If you notice the product isn't dispensing immediately, simply pump the top several times to prime the airless mechanism. This helps bring the moisturizer up, ensuring a smooth and consistent flow for your next application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.